This video is going to demonstrate how to install the metal mount into your mini dish using the tool that comes with it. There are two stainless steel screws here. You can see the screws go across the bridge into this piece. They thread in here and they go into there. That is locked. To unlock it, you are simply going to back the screw out until it crosses the opening here. And you'll know that it has because you can look at it and see it, or you can feel that this piece here now is flexible. That is now unlocked, and you can install the mount by pressing forward until it clicks. Now that is installed, but it is not locked. To lock it, you are going to turn the screws clockwise until you feel a little bit of resistance. The screw does not have to go all the way in. There just needs to be a point where you feel it get tighter. And right there, it is locked. Now you have to have this tool to unlock these screws, and you cannot get this out. To remove the mount, you literally do all of those steps in reverse. Back the screw up until you feel it get less resistance, or you can visually see it cross that little gap. Then use your finger, don't use a tool, and pull this piece up and slide the mount